JohnnyLark, he was texting me, then he gave me a call. He reminded me that even without fuel, I partially turned the ignition on and hit the black button as we were doing on the dual fan controller, Ron Francis, and the fan will blow if everything's right. That's the test button, the black button. I forgot to mention that. And thanks again, JohnnyLark. I'm going in. All right. I gotta thank God, and I definitely thank JohnnyLark again and again and again and again. All right, that's it. So far, so good. Both fans are blowing. It was indeed the culprit. The old defective Ron Francis dual fan controller. I love those fans. They are the Rally 4000 CFM puller fans. I love those fans. I mean, I like those fans a lot. Let me keep myself grounded here. Anyway, that's about it. Thanks again, JohnnyLark.